To save your documents so they can be added to your For Me PDF, you will need to connect a personal Dropbox account. The following is a step-by-step guide to create and link a new, free and secure Dropbox account. If you already have a Dropbox account, please watch the linking to an existing Dropbox account video. Step 1 is to go to the Dropbox free account screen at dropbox.com/basic. Then click the Sign Up for Free button. Now enter the email address you used to log into For Me Navigator. If your email address is not associated with another Dropbox account, Dropbox will recognize this and display the sign-up screen. Simply enter your details and a password and click the Agree and Sign Up button. Step 2. Create your account. You are now presented with a choice of accounts. At the bottom of the page, click Continue with 2 GB Dropbox Basic plan to choose the free account. The next screen confirms your account and asks how the account will be used. Select Personal. The next screen asks you to connect your devices. Select Skip Step at the bottom of the page. At the Dropbox dashboard, now select the profile in the top right-hand corner and then select Log Out. Now return to your email account and verify your Dropbox email. Next time you log into For Me Navigator, you will be asked to log into Dropbox and connect the app.